In this lecture, we'll continue our discussion on the LQR controller for a very special case wherein the placement of the eigenvalues is specified in some sense for the closed loop system. Okay, so consider the LTI system here, and this is of nth order state space representation with p outputs and m number of inputs. Okay, so now the specification that we have is the k has to be such that all eigenvalues of a minus bk should have their real part to be less than minus alpha. Alpha is a positive constant, and the cost j equal to 0 to infinity e power 2 alpha t x transpose qx plus u transpose ru dt is minimized while subjected to the system dynamics S1. Okay, the Q is a positive semi-definite real symmetric matrix, R is a positive definite real symmetric matrix, and they are constant matrices. Okay, so if you rearrange the terms that you have in J, then what we will get is J can be expressed as a quadratic equation in the form of x tilde and u tilde, where x tilde is nothing but x e power alpha t and u tilde is nothing but u e power alpha t. Okay, please note that since alpha is just a scalar quantity which is positive, e power 2 alpha t is also a scalar quantity. Okay, so now the state feedback controller that we had was u equal to minus kx. So if you multiply e power alpha t to both LHS and RHS, what we end up with is a state feedback controller in terms of u tilde and x tilde. Okay, now this x tilde state vector that we have, what is the governing set of equation? To find that, if you take the derivative of x tilde equal to x e power alpha t, and you get that x tilde dot is nothing but a plus alpha into identity matrix x tilde plus b u tilde. Okay, so this a plus alpha in will be further denoted as a tilde. Okay, so now we will solve the optimization. Instead of solving the given optimization problem, we'll solve this particular optimization problem, because this is just a transformed version of the given problem, and the solution to this will yield a p which will finally give me a k. Okay, so now to solve, what is the problem that we need to solve is optimize the cost given in terms of x tilde and u tilde with the same q and r, subject to the system dynamic given by x tilde dot is equal to a plus alpha in x tilde plus b u tilde. Okay, the q and r remain the same as it was for the prior cost function. Okay, the cost function that had been given in the original problem. Now the algebraic Riccati equation that you need to solve is going to be of the form pa tilde plus a tilde transpose minus pb r inverse b transpose p plus q equal to 0, where a tilde is nothing but a plus alpha in. So instead of solving the algebraic Riccati equation that is normally associated with the original system, you will solve the algebraic Riccati equation that is basically associated with this transformed version of the problem. Okay, so the a tilde is involved. So once you do this, you will get a p matrix and the corresponding k matrix. Okay, so the k here is again r inverse b transpose p, and this is the same k that can be actually used to have the eigenvalues of a minus bk such that their real part is less than minus alpha. So I suggest that the LQR controller example that we'll discuss, for the same example, you take alpha to be equal to 1 or 2 and solve the problem and see the value of k once received will give you what is desired or not. So we'll stop here. Thank you.